Hello, food family. It's Rhea, and today we're going green in the most delicious way possible. No, not another juice cleanse. I'm talking cooking with local seasonal greens. Because spring isn't just for florals and flirting, it's prime time for spinach, collards, and pea shoots. Let's start with spinach. It's basically the queen of greens, versatile, reliable, and always fresh in spring. Throw it in your eggs, tuck it in your sandwiches, or sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a side dish that says, "I'm healthy and I have taste." Now, collard greens. I know, they get a bad rap for being tough, but that's just because people haven't treated them right. Here's what I do. Slice them thin, give them a quick steam or stir fry, and they soften faster than your resolve at a farmer's market. And don't forget pea shoots. These delicate, twirly little greens taste like spring itself. I love tossing them raw into salads, layering them on toast like a fancy hipster, or stirring them into pasta at the last minute. Your taste buds will be like, is this gourmet? Did I just level up? I personally recommend grabbing what's fresh and local because it supports farmers, reduces your carbon print, and makes every bite taste like it was made with love. Grocery store spinach from halfway across the planet? Hard pass. I want the leaf that high-fived the sun this morning. So next time you're shopping, go local, go green, and get cooking. Your meals and your community will thank you. Stay fresh and flavorful.